Nobody tells me what to do. I'm a rebel, man. I'm a punk.
I hear that.
Anyway, so I do what I want when I want. Oh yeah.
Takes my breath away.
Hey y'all, it's me. I am LuhhShayy. Welcome back to my channel. I got hair now. I can do that, swinging that shit. Okay. Anyway, if y'all did not know, I am in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Y'all see the city behind me? Right now. Anyway, we are about to go on not a tour of the city. We taking ourselves on a tour, but y'all know I can't take y'all to a new city without giving y'all all the Instagram spots. This is gonna be a 2-day episode, so stay tuned. Let's get it. See y'all in a bit. Trying to leave out the house. Niggas taking shots. Alright y'all, so we had our first stop, and the first stop, this is called Randyland. So the guy that owns this, his name is Randy, and he said that he had ADHD, and in order for him to soothe himself, he needed to just use his hands and do things. So he made all of this stuff in here. It's a free museum. We just donate to him, and he has a good story, y'all. I'm gonna input it in here while I'm walking y'all around the museum. I'm gonna let y'all listen to his story. It's such a good story.
All right, hi, how you doing? How you doing? I'm Randy. This is just a house of stuff. So I have ADHD, OCD, and autism. So when I was a little boy, I found toys in the garbage, took them home, put them under the Christmas tree. That taught me my eyes are a tool to see, my hands are a tool to take home, my mind's a tool to think, my heart is a tool to be happy, my ears are tools to listen, my mouth to speak, and my feet to walk. Hot diggity dog, I'm a toolbox, and so are you. Now, if you use your tools, they get polished and make it purposeful. But if you don't use your tools, they get rusted, broken, misplaced, or forgotten. Anyway, my mind works better in not a normal world. Like, you know, if people try to put you in a normal world, I can't fit in that area because Jesus gives us different lenses. It's like that camera. So it depends on the lens you wear. Like the lens you're looking at me now. Here's a little piece of philosophy. The lens that you're looking at me now are your parents' lenses. That is the priority lens, the number one lens you will use your entire life. That is the lens of your parents, and that is you. Now, the second lens would be whatever you adopted in life, whatever you became, your passions. Like it could be, like if you're an engineer or a photographer or whatever we are in life. The whole thing is, that is another lens. And then you got the lens of your friends and how you work and you see the same things, you feel the same, you bond. And then you see the lens of the world and how it starts marketing at you and all this shit. If you always wear everybody's lens, the world, and your parents, and everybody's world all the time, you will always go ahead and you will always be in their lens. Oh, what I like to say is, please make sure that when you are doing what the world is doing and everything seems to be similar to what you've already done, a comfort zone, make sure that you somehow change it, because your passion needs to squeeze in and give you a new lens. So by not being part of the passions that you thought that you needed to be part of, you're going to realize that maybe there was somebody that was going to be in charge and tell you what to do. Nobody tells me what to do. I'm a rebel, man. I'm a punk.
I hear that.
Anyway, so I do what I want when I want. Oh yeah. That's what built Randyland. So it's all made out of junk I find all over the streets, because I was always a misfit. I was always a misfit, so I collected misfit stuff. So
all right, we are at the second place, and it is called, I forgot what it's called, y'all. Point State Park. So we got like a little hiking trail, biking trail, and a cute little fountain. I'm gonna show y'all. We walking to the fountain right now. Views of the bridges. It's on the water. Everybody got their boats out. It's real cute. You can see the Heinz Field. That's where the Steelers play. You can see it. It's a bunch of little kids and stuff like this. This real cute, y'all. This is real cute. Let me show y'all.
The next day.
Okay, y'all, so the next stop is a museum. It's called the Andy Warhol Museum. I'm not sure if y'all know who Andy Warhol is, but he's a really nice artist, and he struggled with anxiety and depression, I think PTSD. I gotta look it up. I'm gonna put it on the screen. But he has a full museum. It's 7 floors. Y'all start at the top and go to the bottom, and we are here now, so I'm gonna show y'all some pictures. Be right back. Now y'all know if y'all know me, find the elephants everywhere you go, okay? You find the elephants everywhere. All right, next up is, we just have Andy Warhol Museum. Andy Warhol has his own bridge too, Andy Warhol Bridge. Look at this, it's so cute. It's the skyline for me. Yes it is. Y'all's cars coming. Ooh, we in the street, child. It's cars. Look. What you be doing for pictures? What? Okay, y'all. So now we are at the next spot. It's another museum, but this one has, I really just came in here just for, it's like a room that has like mirrors and polka dots. I like polka dots, but I don't know what it's, I don't know what the room is called, but it's like a mirror room. You know how when you see in the movies? Bye. Let me tell y'all about this man, y'all. He's scared. We at our next little.
I am not.
He's scared. We at our next little stop, and look at it. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Duke something incline. Look. We gotta go all. We going all the way up there. Duquesne. Duke. What is it, babe?
Douche. Sign out.
All right, let's go. We gotta go up all these steps. Okay. I wish y'all could see how hard I was. Y'all can probably hear how hard I'm breathing. We just came up all them steps. And then look. The Steelers played today. and they were here. Okay, so they say that Pittsburgh is a city of bridges, and when you stand up here, you can see, let me see, you got, that's 3 right there. Not sure if I can see, but that's 1, 2, 3, and then if you come over here,
6 right there.
you got 4, 5, 6,
7 in the back, 8 behind there.
oh, 7, 8, it's 2 hidden behind there, 9 right there, 10, 11, 12, 13. Where you see 14? Okay, he said 14.
One right behind the blue bridge.
Okay, yeah. 14 bridges. Okay, we are at our last spot, and it's actually an apartment building, but like the entrance to the apartment building is fire. It's fire. So the name of these apartments are called the Pennsylvanian Apartments, and you gotta pay to park, but we're not paying because we just gonna take pictures. So shh. Look, of course we're taking pictures, but this is the apartment building. See that? But the lobby though, just wait till we get in there. Just wait. And then over here, it's like a little alleyway with lights. He made a photographer friend.
Come on, man.
Y'all, my feet hurt. But
They do.
we
And
made
it's
it through.
funky too.
Whatever.
Sorry, no.
We made it through all the spots. So those are all of my most Instagrammable spots in Pittsburgh that I found that I like, that I feel are worthy of those pictures. So thank you guys for making it this far through episode 2 of the most Instagrammable spots, and just stay tuned for the next one, cause where we going next? I don't even know. We going somewhere, but
This is surprise.
so stay tuned for that one. And I gotta give y'all a house tour too, because this house we in, it's fire. Airbnb be doing their thing. All right, but I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you. Peace out. Bye.